Hi! In front of me is NOKIA X10 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin with opening settings and scrolling all the way down, then click on About Phone. Now you need to choose device name over here and type in wherever you wish to, like Sunny. When you're ready, click on OK in this pop-up to save your name and OK in this one in order to confirm it. And as you can see after that, name of my Nokia has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!